In this video, we're going to check out some fonts at Google Fonts. So let's go on and Google for Google Fonts. Click on Google Fonts. We want to find some fonts that we want to use with our design. It's a very great asset to any designer or developer, Google Fonts, as we're able to go through certain filters, whether we want serif or sans serif, different types of styles, and we can classify them with the thickness, the slant, and width. So there are a plethora of great fonts on Google Fonts, but I'm going to stick with some of my favorites. So I'm going to Google for Source Sans Pro. I'm going to use that font. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to my collection. Also, you want to use a font that is a serif font. It's called Roboto Slab. And I want to add that to my collection as well. So if we go down the bottom here, we can see this Use button. So if we go ahead and click on that, it'll allow us to start getting ready to use the fonts. We can choose our font weight. Now it's important to note that the more of these we select, the greater the impact on our page load will be. So it's best to select just the bare minimum or what you're going to use. It's not necessary to check every single box. So I want to stick with a font weight of 300, and I also want to stick with a thin font of 100 for Roboto Slab. So now that I've got them selected, you can come down here and you can find the actual link element that we can copy and paste into our HTML and ready to go. So you can go ahead and copy that and paste it into code. So I'm just going to bring up my text editor and just paste in the link element, put it just above the custom CSS, so then we can use it in our custom CSS file.